Hi, this is David with David's Tutorials. Today, I'm going to show you how to find free and usable images to use on your website or in your documents without worry about copyright infringement. Let's start on the Google web page. Let's select an item that you would like to have some images for, perhaps to use as a featured image in a blog posting. For this example, I'm going to look for rainbows. So in the Google application, I'm going to type rainbow. That will bring up a bunch of listings, but we don't want these listings. What we want are images. So underneath the search bar, I click on the Images tab, and we come up with a bunch of rainbow images. But these are not the images you want. You want images you can use on your website without worrying about copyright. So we click on the Tools item in the menu bar, which drops down the second menu bar, and we go over here to Usage Rights. Drop that down and pick Labeled for Reuse with Modification. This will give you free to use rainbow images. At this point, I simply scroll down until I find an image I like. Let's say I like this image here. You click on that image and you can see now we have Pixabay free photo rainbow rain arch. It is 960 by 640. If that's something I can use, I can at this point either right click on the image and click Save Image As, and that will save it as a file on my computer, or I can click on the View Image button, and that will get me to a page that if it's on Pixabay, I can download it. If it's not on Pixabay, let's look at this image here. It's a 5600 pixel by 3744 pixel image. It brings up the image feature section of the Google Images page. When I click on View Image, this gives me the image only on the screen. And this in the address bar is the image of where I can see that image all by itself. You can see the URL of that image. I could right click on this image and save the image as. Notice the cursor is a magnifying glass with a plus in the middle of it. If I click on the image, it makes it full screen, which if you scroll down, you can see there is a lot of image here that is not on the screen. I'm not sure I want to save the image that big, but I could if I wanted to. In any case, you now know how to find good free images on Google, images that you can use without fear of worrying about copyrights because they are labeled for reuse with modification. You can crop them, you can color them, you can clip them and use them in other images. If you thought this video was helpful, please leave us a thumbs up and leave us a comment below. It helps in the YouTube search algorithm so other people can find these videos. And be sure to subscribe so you can be notified when we post another tutorial from David's Tutorials.